Hello everyone, welcome to Healthcare Medical Equipments. This is my new video which is about 5-in-1 combination machine. So without any further ado, let's get started. So firstly, let me give you a short description about this machine. So this is 5-in-1 combination machine which is IFT, TENS, MS, US and deep heat combination, and this is fiber body machine. You can see the whole machine. This is the accessories, and there's a 125 program inbuilt for IFT, TENS, MS, and US is 1 megahertz and deep heat is direct. So this is mode selector button, this is program and intensity selector button, this is start and stop button. This is LCD display for IFT, TENS and MS, and this is deep heat. And now let me start the machine. Now let me tell you about the accessories. So there's two pads, deep heat pads, one gel bottle, one pen electrode, two velcro, four electrodes, four wires, one main cord, one US handle, one warranty card and one bag comes with the machine. And there's a 1-year replacement warranty available on this machine. So we will drop the machine also, and we will pick up the machine also from your place. So now let me show you how it's work. So firstly, let me show you IFT, TENS and MS, and you can see the first program is manual. So on manual you can set the machine as per your requirement. You can set timing and disk and hearts as per manually. So now let me show you programs. There's a 70 program available for IFT, 30 for TENS and 25 for MS. (125) programs. If you have to jump direct on the functions like IFT, TENS, MS, you have to select directly. So let me show you how you can do it. So first, this is on manual. Now jump in IFT and then you have to increase. So you will see Russian, now TENS and now MS. So you can directly select the functions like this. So now let me show you digital ultrasonic. So this is timing button, and there's a two mode which is continuous and pulse. This is pulse ratio, this is mode selector button, and this is intensity button. This is deep heat is direct. You can see. Now let me show you how it's works. So firstly, let me attach all the wires so I can show you. So I have attached all the wires, and now let me show you first digital ultrasonics. So let me set the timing, then mode is continuous, and now let me drop of water. This is how it's work. Now let me show you pulse. Now let me show you deep heat. Deep heat is direct, as I have told you before. So I have set it on 30, and now it started heating. So DPIT is also working very nicely. And now let me show you IFT TENS MS. So you have to select first the mode. So I am selecting IFT now. The timing on is 11 now. Hearts on 150, and this is on 4 pole vector. And now start and stop button. So IFT is also working. So this is how whole machine works. So this is very easy to use and very effective. So for further inquiries, please contact us on 9990585651. Thank you so much.